In this video, Cresco International will demonstrate how to use IBM Watson Analytics to analyze social media topics and trends. Watson Analytics helps companies identify the pulse of an audience by enabling intuitive, guided data analysis of social channels. In this case, we will look at the company Justin Brands as an example. We have created a social media project called Justin Brands. On the topics page, we enter the 5 sub-brands: Justin Boots, Tony Llama Boots, Nokona Boots, Chippewa Boots, and Justin Original Work Boots. Watson Analytics for social media is not case sensitive with keywords, so we don't need to standardize the format. On the themes page, we can decide how to break down the topics into attributes. In this case, we break the topic into 2 themes: design and quality. Drilling through design, we can add keywords related to design so that Watson Analytics can capture more comprehensive results. Watson Analytics for social media allows you to specify the time interval you want to focus on. Here we will focus on the past year. Selecting all 4 languages provided and choosing all 3 sources, we now start to create the analysis. The results come from 7 parts: topics, themes, sentiment, geography, source, active authors, and demographics. In topics, we can clearly see the social media trends of each day. In the last year, 2,621 mentions of these 5 brands have been detected in 2,453 documents. There are more mentions on Justin Boots than on any other brand. We can also filter the results and focus on specific brands, and we can zoom in on a chart to focus on a shorter time period. Next, we will look at the themes section. As you can see, most of the Twitter mentions are not related to the design and quality. We only have 150 mentions of design and 87 mentions on quality out of 2,621 total Twitter mentions. People are most likely to direct Twitter comments on Justin Boots, followed by Chippewa Boots. In the sentiment results, we notice that the most of 2,621 mentions are positive and neutral. Justin Boots has the highest percentage of positive mentions and at the same time also has the highest percentage of negative mentions. The average percentage across all topics are shown here. In addition to reviewing sentiments, we can also focus on the geography characteristics of those Twitter mentions. We can see most mentions come from the United States. Drilling down to a lower geography level, we can see detailed Twitter mentions of each state. Most of the mentions come from Tennessee. Next, we will go to the city level, where we can see how all of these brands are discussed in each city. In the geographic section, Watson Analytics for social media is showing one result for all topics. We can also break the number down by the topic we would like to focus on by applying filters. On the sources page, we can also see the source of each mention. Most of the mentions are generated via Twitter and reviews. Watson Analytics for social media also provides the ability to track the source of all of the mentions. In the active author page, the top 20 authors who generated the most amount of content will be shown here in the tree map according to the volume of the content. The deeper the color indicates that there are more followers of the specific author. Similar to the geographic analysis, we can focus on more details of each brand by applying filters. Some people choose to reveal their gender, marital status, and parental status on social media websites. In the demographics section, we can see the percentage of mentions by demographics. For those who do not show their demographics on social sites, Watson Analytics for social media indicates them as blank. While we were generating visualized reports and explorations, a dataset that supports these findings has also been created. We can perform filters on these datasets, and the above charts will also change once these filters are made. In addition, this data set can be downloaded for more data mining activities or loaded into any other analytics tool. For more information about Watson Analytics for social media and marketing analytics to action, contact Cresco today at info@cresco.com.